Hello guys, thanks for clicking. That's me RD, Mr. Webtalk channel, and today I'm gonna to show you how I make money on Webtalk. Let's go. So let's go. What do you think my wife and I are doing? Literally, we are cooking a money pie. Yes, I am telling the truth. That's not a cap. Because we are cooking and I am recording the process. After the video will be done, I will upload the video to my channel. I will copy the link and share it to Webtalk, and I will get money for that. Really? I am not a culinary expert. I am not a chef. I am not gonna to share with you with recipe. I just recorded the video and share it to my friends on Webtalk, and I am paid for that. Yes, friends, and take a look to the number of subscribers on my channel, and you will see that I have no enough subscribers on YouTube, but I am paid on Webtalk because I share my videos from YouTube to my friends on Webtalk. That's awesome. If you wanna learn how to cook such kind of money pie, I will teach you with great pleasure. Join to Webtalk. Join and bring your family to Webtalk. That's fantastic opportunity to work on Webtalk with the whole of your families. Exactly. My wife and me are working on Webtalk together, and we both are paid on Webtalk. Just follow the link that you will find under the video and create your account for free. When I see you there on Webtalk, we will connect and I will teach you how to make money on Webtalk. You see how I'm happy? That's because I love my wife and I love Webtalk. Join to Webtalk.